This question is all about crude oil. As we go through the question, I'll leave a small pause so that you can stop the video and have a go in your head of what you think the answer should be before resuming the video. So let's get started. Crude oil is a mixture of different length hydrocarbon molecules. What is a hydrocarbon molecule? Well, a hydrocarbon is a compound made from only hydrogen and carbon atoms joined together. Describe how crude oil was formed, and this would be for 4 marks. So first of all, crude oil is formed from microscopic plankton that once lived in the sea. This plankton then died and fell to the seabed. It got covered by sediment which kept the oxygen out so it didn't rot away completely. And heat and pressure over millions of years turned the plankton into crude oil. And you'll see I've underlined the important phrases that get you the marks in the exam. So you can see with this question, if you haven't learnt the knowledge about how crude oil was formed, then you're really going to struggle with this type of question. If you need to brush up on that knowledge, I'll put a link to my previous video up here now to help you with that. Question B is a comparison question. How was the formation of coal different to the formation of oil? So I need to talk about both if I'm going to compare them. I can't just talk about coal on its own. So first of all, coal is formed from trees, whereas oil is formed from plankton. Coal is formed in swamps where the trees died and fell, whereas oil was formed in the sea. Question C, how was the formation of coal similar to the formation of oil? And that would be for 2 marks. So on this question, there's several answers you could put, so any 2 of the following would do. First of all, both were formed from once living organisms, hence the name fossil fuel. Both were formed as a result of heat and pressure within the earth. And you could also say both took millions of years to form. The last part of the question, where did the locked up carbon in coal come from? So the answer to this would be when the trees were living millions of years ago, they were taking in carbon dioxide during photosynthesis. So if you found this exam question walkthrough useful, please do give it a like and don't forget to subscribe because I'm adding more videos to my channel like this all of the time. Thanks for watching.